Our food system relies on global trade with all types of grains from all regions of the world. Since certain types of grains are only found or can be cultivated in specific regions of the world, global trade is of crucial importance for global food security. If this global supply comes to a standstill due to environmental disasters, major wars, widespread plant extinction, or an unexpected asteroid impact, a global food shortage will quickly arise. To solve this problem, there is a unique place in the world where all nations work together. In the remote Arctic archipelago of Svalbard, Norway, lies an unassuming entrance to one of the most critical and awe-inspiring facilities on Earth. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Nestled deep within a mountain on the island of Spitsbergen. This facility serves as a safeguard for the future of global food security. Officially opened on February 26, 2008, the Seed Vault is a testament to humanity's commitment to preserving biodiversity and ensuring access to vital crop genetic resources. In this video, we're going to explore the history, purpose, significance, and ongoing challenges of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, in the context of our ever-evolving relationship with food production and environmental sustainability. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault, often dubbed the Doomsday Vault, was conceived as a response to the increasing threats facing global food security. In the early 21st century, the world faced numerous challenges, including climate change, natural disasters, political conflicts, and emerging plant diseases. These factors put the world's agricultural biodiversity and the future of our food supply at risk. In response, the Global Crop Diversity Trust, in partnership with the Norwegian government and the Nordic Genetic Resource Centre, initiated the project to create a secure storage facility for plant genetic material. The Seed Vault's location in the Arctic is not arbitrary. It was chosen for its natural advantages. The facility is situated approximately 1,300 kilometres from the North Pole and is protected by permafrost, which provides a natural refrigeration system. The main entrance, a tunnel, leads to a series of 3 underground chambers that can store up to 4.5 million seed samples. These samples are stored in custom-made, airtight, and moisture-proof packages, ensuring their long-term preservation. The Seed Vault's design is unobtrusive, with a triangular artwork by Defaysan marking the entrance. This unassuming exterior conceals a treasure trove of genetic diversity that holds the potential to rescue our future crops from various threats. The primary purpose of the Svalbard Global Seed Vault is to safeguard the genetic diversity of crops essential to human survival. The seeds stored here represent a vast array of plant species, including staples like wheat, rice, maize and potatoes, as well as less well-known, but equally vital crops like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and various indigenous varieties. This genetic diversity is crucial for breeding programs, enabling scientists and farmers to develop crops with traits such as resistance to diseases, tolerance to extreme weather conditions, and improved nutritional content. These seeds serve as a global insurance policy against catastrophic events that could threaten food production, ensuring that humanity can recover and rebuild after such disasters. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault is a testament to international collaboration. It acts as a backup for existing seed banks worldwide, which hold their own collections of crop varieties. If a regional seed bank faces unforeseen challenges, it can request seeds from the Svalbard Vault to re-establish its collection. The principle of the Seed Vault is that it is open to deposits from all countries and accessible to researchers, breeders, and farmers worldwide. This inclusivity promotes the sharing of genetic resources and supports sustainable agriculture practices globally. While the Svalbard Global Seed Vault represents a beacon of hope for food security, it is not without its challenges. One major concern is the changing climate in the Arctic region, which could jeopardize the permafrost that currently protects the seeds. The facility has experienced some unexpected breaches, most notably in 2017 when melting permafrost led to water intrusion. This incident highlighted the need for continuous monitoring and adaptation to climate change. Additionally, there have been debates about seed sovereignty, with some critics arguing that the seed vault could be used as a tool for biopiracy or that it may inadvertently promote monoculture, farming by focusing on a limited number of crop varieties. In an era marked by climate change, population growth and environmental degradation, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault serves as a symbol of hope. It reminds us of our responsibility to safeguard the genetic diversity of our crops, the foundation of our food system. To address the challenges it faces, it is crucial to invest in research and technologies that can adapt the facility to the changing Arctic environment. Additionally, continued international collaboration and ethical guidelines should govern access and utilisation of the stored genetic material. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault is more than just a repository of seeds. It is a testament to our commitment to securing the future of food security. In an increasingly uncertain world, this facility stands as a beacon of hope, offering the promise of resilience in the face of adversity. As we navigate the complex challenges of the 21st century, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault reminds us of the critical role biodiversity plays in our survival and the importance of global cooperation in protecting our most fundamental resource. Our food.